sometimes a live demo is not the best option. I think that's hard for some solution consultants to admit, but it's actually true. Now, my first thought when it comes to videos are TikToks. Now, I'm not saying your demo should be on TikTok, but when I think of effectiveness of videos on consumers, that's where my mind goes. In 2024, 89% of consumers confirmed that they wanted to see more videos from brands. Now, furthermore, 52% are more likely to share video content than any other type of content. Now, these trends are generally explained in the business to consumer sense. But guess what? In B2B sales, you're still selling to a human, so treat them like one. The question shouldn't be, should I make a demo video for my product? It should be, how do I make an effective one? It's important to first understand what demo videos are not. Demo videos are not feature function dumps. They are not training videos, and they are not corporate overviews. Given that these aren't advertisements, it means the viewer probably already knows about your organization. Maybe they found you online, through an analyst report, or perhaps you're already engaged with them. The point is, they have heard about you, and now they want to see what you're all about. So how do you make an effective demo video? The main focus needs to be on value. How does your product solve a problem and bring organizational value? For generic videos, you may not know the problem of a specific viewer. So what you can do is use a customer story in one or various roles that you sell to. Perhaps you have an accounts payable automation software. The most common pain points of AP are generally quite universal. So set the stage with a customer story, explaining the pains and experiences with previously engaged customers. This makes your content relatable to the viewer from the start. Show a hero screen. What makes you stand out? What's your competitive advantage? Show this, talk to it, and explain how the screen adds value and helps solve a problem. From here, you may have a few quick actions you want to show. Do it, but do it quickly and smoothly. Never forget to explain the why behind each action. The key is to show enough to grab the viewer's attention, but leave them curious for more. Show them the gold, but not the depth of the treasure chest. To that end, it's always wise to send videos in a manner where you can track analytics, such as opens, views, and forwards. Some fundamental tips on video making. If producing in-house, which most likely we all do, make sure you have a good external microphone, camera, and great lighting. Use a video editing software. Recording a Zoom or Teams call is not going to be attractive to your prospect. Make the edits. Sometimes editing is the longest part of the process. This is a video, not a live demo. It should be clean and smooth, with no awkward gaps, misclicks, or fumbling over words. Use annotations. Many editing softwares have the ability to annotate over the video with spotlights or arrows. Control your mouse. Nobody wants to spend half the video chasing your cursor around the screen. Some editing solutions will even smooth out your cursor movements. And finally, have fun. Talk like you would normally. Make the video engaging. That's all for video prep today. I hope this helps simplify your path to success.